When your dad is Michael Jordan, you're probably going to get a dope collab. Let's take a closer look at the Trophy Room 5s. What's going on, guys? You're watching Sneaker News on YouTube, and today we're taking a closer look at the Air Jordan 5 by Trophy Room. This collaboration released on May 18th, 2019. Before we take a closer look, just do us a quick favor, hit that subscribe button, and let's keep going. So, as you guys know, Trophy Room is based in Florida, in Orlando specifically, and they have one store in Disney Springs, but as of May 31st, that location will officially close, and they're going to reopen in another location. And before they did that, they decided to drop a collaboration and really, go out with a bang. This right here, of course, was designed by Marcus Jordan, who is Michael Jordan's oldest son, and the colorway is actually inspired by the actual trophy room that was inside their Chicago mansion. I mean, when your dad is MJ and he brings him all that hardware, pretty sick, huh? And with the shoes comes with this postcard, which is this iconic photo of the actual trophy room. You see the MVPs, you see the Finals MVP, you see shoes, you see Wheaties boxes, you have the oversized Chicago Bulls emblem on the hardwood floors. Pretty epic, you can't top that. And for this collaboration, he wanted to pay homage to that room with this ice blue colorway, which is taken from the decor of that room. So just go over some quick details. Here's the right shoe. The upper suede is this nice icy blue finish, and it matches the natural blue tint of the outsole as well as the netting. Really soft suede, great quality, something that you would see on a retro runner. In fact, a lot of the materials that Jordan Brand has been using has been pretty solid. On the heel, a nice little nod to the OG. It's the number 23 in black and gold. The midsole, a clean sail white with a contrasting red on the shark's teeth, as we call it. And if you peep the outsole, it's your classic icy outsole, but you do see a hardwood graphic pattern beneath the footbed. Based on the photo that we just showed you, it's inspired by that hardwood floor in that trophy room. So keep turning around. On the heel, you got that nice Jumpman on the right foot, no Nike Air. Much of the same on the medial side. Again, that really soft suede with that sail as well as the red. And of course, there are a few additional details that make these pretty interesting. We have 4 lacing options, which you see here. Got the red, we have an orange, sail white, and of course the stock icy blue. And the shoes are pretty limited. They're limited to 7,000 pairs, so they were pretty tough to get. I mean, 7,000 is pretty limited in this day and age, and each pair is individually numbered inside the sock liner. It's actually embroidered on. The insoles also have cork, again, speaking to that whole championship sort of theme. Behind the tongue, you have the Air Jordan logo co-branded with the Trophy Room logo, and even the font is kind of military themed. Of course, the Air Jordan 5 is loosely inspired by military fighter planes. Now, the left shoe has a few different details, which we'll quickly go over. The upper design is much the same, but as you can see, that's the number 5 on that heel. That's Marcus Jordan's number when he played college ball. On the heel, instead of a Jumpman or a Nike Air, you have, again, that Trophy Room logo. This logo might look familiar because they've done several collaborations in the past. There was the Air Jordan 23 that dropped when the store first launched. Later, they had the Air Jordan 16 in that French blue. They had the Air Jordan 17 in that classic Trophy Room gray and gold. So this is a nice little departure from that. Marcus definitely went deep into his own personal life, his own history with his own dad to kind of bring the trophy room out to life. And as you guys know, this is one of the 3 colorways that were revealed. This is the only one that dropped. There was a second Friends and Family red pair, which you guys saw some, like PJ Tucker wore them, other celebrities got their hands on them. And then recently, a third in-store only PE display was revealed that was mostly in sail white. In total, there were 3 different ones. Of course, the release pair and the 2 others. Let us know in the comments which of the 3 you like best. We are actually pretty partial to these, but another dope detail right here is the outsole of the left shoe. Not only has that same hardware, but you see the trophy room as well as the white Jumpman outline. Definitely went pretty hard with the details. Overall, really well done. We love the color palette. The icy blue matches really well with the red and the silver. Of course, you got that little hint of the metallic gold. Beyond the shoes, the packaging was really, really solid. We showed you guys the postcard already. Comes with these really, really nice, delicate shoe dust bags that has the Trophy Room logo as well as the Jumpman. Just quickly move this to the side. Let's show you the shoebox. Nice icy blue, very premium shoebox. You got that OG inspired speckling print. It says welcome to the family, which has been sort of their motto ever since Trophy Room ever first opened. You got the hardwood pattern on the interior lining. Our favorite part is actually the interior plastic. There's this metal gate, which is inspired by the mansion. Michael Jordan's home in Chicago has this huge gate with the big number 23. When you sort of impose the other side, you get a little bit of that nice little home decor detail. So overall, Marcus Jordan did a hell of a job with this release. Great design, the materials are on point. We're fans of the overall outcome of this release. You know, leave us a comment if there's something that you think maybe they should have changed or should have added. And of course, hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you in the next video.